Hello, my name is Delroy Young, and I want to talk with you real quick about the B5 community. Lots of people wondering what the B5 community is about. Of course, you might be going to the b5community.org to try to read up, on the B5 community, but it's a lot of information there, and a lot of people don't like to read a lot. So we're just gonna summarize it as to what the B5 community is and how that might help you, how you might factor into the B5 community. It's pretty simple. The B5 community is a network of people. It's a system that works under what we call a Guarantee Affirmative Support System. That's GAAS, Guarantee Affirmative Support System. And what the Guarantee Affirmative Support System is, it is a system that guarantees its member support regardless of what the member might do, what your thing might be, what your career might be, what your business might be. You can do what you love and still get the maximum support from the people. A lot of times people are doing things that they love and they end up quitting because they don't have the support base, to keep them doing what they love. The B5 community has come to change that. So it's a Guarantee Affirmative Support System that works, that is managed by a point system. So the B5 community.org is managed through the b5community.org is the system, is the concept, and the referral and the management part of it, the system that makes everything work, is MoPass, which is at mopass.net. So the B5 community is a network of people. Look at it as a network of people, or a system with a network of people that functions under a guarantee support system. It means that no matter what your business is, it's gonna be fruitful. It's gonna be successful because you have a support base of people that's gonna support your business at all times. Now, with that, you have to bear in mind that now that the support is guaranteed, we have to focus on quality and excellence, and not only the fact that you have a right to gain support, but you also have a right to make sure that whatever you're putting forward, whatever your product is, whatever you're putting forward in the B5 community, whatever services that you're offering, is indeed of the best quality. So it's also our business to make sure that is happening. You, in order to have a B5 community status, of course you get registered to the B5 community through the b5community.org, or you can, but in order for you to have a status of a B5, to be an active B5er, gaining support and giving support into the community, you have to have a referral card, which is created through MoPass. In order to get that set up, you can call 786-975-4659. Don't worry about the details. We'll make sure that happens for you. Or you can link to get your referral card through the B5 community website, because there should be a link there. So we talk about Guarantee Affirmative Support System, but it's not just Guarantee Affirmative Support System to you and to your business, but it's also Guarantee Affirmative Support System from you. So it's a system that works under a one hand wash the other solution basis, where you're supporting other people's business and they're supporting yours. And the way the B5 community is set up is that nobody is going to be able to go inside the network and get support from other people and not rendering support, because it is set up, it is well coded and set up that won't happen. So as long as you go in and you abide by the rule, you should be able to be successful in whatever business that you're going to go into. It's pretty much guaranteed. As you can tell you that, as long as you follow the rule. So it's one hand wash the other. You support members within the community and they support you. So let's say, for instance, so within your business, you're going to be spending money anyway, because every day we spend money doing other things. So rather than spending the money outside of the community to get services and to get goods that you need, why not just access your card wallet, and support the members inside your community. In that way, you're gaining points, you're gaining referral points, and your business is becoming more attractive to other people. We want to move from there a little bit and talk about a little bit about acquisition. We've been doing that a lot inside of the B5 community. Acquisition, what we're focusing on is ownership of businesses. Whereas the B5 community, we can own businesses together. So somebody might come forward and you might propose an business idea. It gets voted on within the community. We take a look at it and we see if this is something that we can invest anything. And if we need to raise funds to put on the business, we can put together like a business plan, proper business plan. We have lawyers in our network. If that is needed, we have lots of attorneys in there. All you have to do is enter attorneys in the search, and you'll find them. An agreement between two persons might needs to be signed. It's pretty much the real world, but it's the real world in a network. It's the way you would do business, but it's inside the network, inside the B5 community. So as I was talking about acquisition is one of the focus of the B5 community is owning businesses. We want to have businesses where the B5 community, where we can own it together. And what we want to cut out inside the B5 community is what we are used to within the corporate workplace, where you work for a company for 10 years, 20 years, you get your paycheck and whatever little they offer you and it's done. They start in hundreds of millions of dollars and enrich themselves off of your back, off your labor, and off your input, and you never get anything. With the B5 community, we don't want the B5 community businesses to work like that. It's two different types of business. It's a business that you comes with because you might register already having your business. And it is the businesses that we create within the B5 community. The businesses that we create within the B5 community, we want them to benefit the members of the B5 community. Anybody who inputs, we want them to benefit. As the business grows, so does the benefits grow. We do not want a system where a person feel like they are violated because they build a company, build it all the way to the top, and some folks at the top make all the money and they make nothing out of it. We want equal work, equal pay. We want everybody to benefit from the B5 community. When we decide to acquire buildings and real estate, this is something that we are going to do it together, because what we're gonna be needing, is proper organization of funds. Every dollar is gonna be pretty much quantized. Everybody will know what's going on in the system and what we are doing within the B5 community. We will not have a situation. We will not run a system that we're gonna be entertaining rip-off artists or con artists, because within the B5 community we are so organized that you cannot. If that is your game, don't bring it within the B5 community. When you come within the B5 community, you have to do things our way. Because one thing we focus on is trust. Trust is one of the most important things. Your word is going to be your bond. So if your word is not your bond, you're going to have a problem within the network, because you cannot say it and not do it. You have to fulfill what you do. You have to honor your words. It's something that a lot of people have a lot of problem with. It doesn't work within the B5 community. So we're going to step away from acquisition a little bit, and I already talked a little bit about creating businesses inside the B5 community, entrepreneurship. You put forward your ideas and let vote on it. And sometimes some ideas are good, but they might need to be fine-tuned. We do that within the B5 community, where we listen to each other. We make sure that the end result is the right result. And second level business creation. creating industries, ideas are always welcome. Ideas, because ideas is what dreams are built on. Maybe you might have a different invention in mind of how you would address certain walks of life. Bring in your invention, bring in your ideas, bring in anything that you can, and let's see what it looks like. You have the support behind you, because you have the entire B5 community behind you to support your ideas. So that's one thing you don't ever need to worry about. And like I said before, we have people outside of professionals on our system to take care of paperwork. Go about your business like you would go about your business. Get things in writing when you deal with people. Get our lawyers inside our network, put them to work, so they can sign. You come up, get up your agreement. Make sure you get everything on real in writing. The main thing that we are focused on is the main thing that we do is to guarantee your support for your business. That's what we engineer. That's what we put our fingers to. Those are the codes that we write to make all that happen. So that is our main function. But conduct your business as it is supposed to. Stay inside the B5 community. The longer you inside the B5 community, the more seniority you're gonna have. You want to have a good status within the B5 community. You want to gain points where you can gain points. You want to gain your ratings, because all of those things count. Because you're gonna be encountering people that you never seen before, and that doesn't know you. Your record is what counts. Don't spoil your record with anybody. So that's basically a little bit about how it works. It's a system of honesty. It's a fee. I think the fee for the B5 community initially, as of today, we're in 2006. This is August 2nd, 2006. We don't know what the fee is going to be to have a membership card or to have a referral card, down the line. But we know that right now it is $300 a year. You do not have to pay the whole $300 a year. You can go month to month, which is like $25 a month. You can pay every 4 months, like $100 every 4 months, or whatever you want to set up. You can do that. As our system grows, as our network grows, as we become richer and richer, as we have more and more wealth within the B5 community, the fees are going to go up. Because what we do not want is, we do not want to get together and build something from scratch, and then we build it and it becomes this, and then you have somebody walking in at the 99th hour and get the same type of benefit, pay the same type of fee that we pay, and get the same type of benefits that we get. No, it doesn't work like that. So we code our system that seniority matters. As far as functionality and how the system works, that is what we do. We are the ones who write the codes and make sure that works. Your only job is to get inside the B5 community and follow the rules. We're going to talk finally about contracts, how you get a contract within the B5 community. What a contract is, it's not, let's say for instance, if you're a plumber, you can't get a contract as a plumber because nobody offers just a plumber contract. Let's say somebody try to offer like a remodeling contract to remodel a kitchen. Remodeling a kitchen might come with several jobs. You might need an electrician, you need a kitchen countertop person, you need a plumber, and you might need somebody else. Your group needs to be consistent of 5 people, and those 5 people need to be registered to the B5 community. If you have a group with your 5 people who does things that are closely related to what you do, or offer services that are closely related to what you do, then you are qualified. You are qualified to have a contract within the B5 community. And that is how that part of it works. I want to thank you so much. You can call 786-975-4659. That's 786-975-4659. to inquire more about the B5 community, and we have a lot more to talk about. Thank you so much.